Hello folks, today we are doing a building inspection on new construction, but I wanted to talk to you a little bit about something that I get asked about. What's the difference between wall stacking, is one terminology, versus wall stacking framing versus balloon framing. And so let me help you out here. Now, different parts of the country have different names for it, but we're going to go with this. So balloon framing basically is always the framing, and that's how we used to do the old houses back in the old days. And so it's just a continuous. So see here, there are fire breaks, which by code you're supposed to have, but you see you're going from the floor to the top, which is about a two-story building, and it goes all the way up. So it's framed all the way to the top, and that is what we call balloon framing. And so that is because it's continuous, where it doesn't stack. Now we're going to go over here, and you can kind of see here how we stack these our walls right here. Of course, we got floor joists going on them, and that's the way we do it a lot of times. And let me go upstairs though, and I'll show you upstairs so as that it's a little bit different, but you can see how we do this here. Now this is wall stacking, and a lot of times on our 2 stories is exactly what we do. We got our lower studs, we got our band board, back down over here a little bit, and we come back up here and to the ceiling. So that is the difference between wall stacking versus balloon framing. But you can see why we have to do the balloon framing, or why it's best. Now, you could have put a header across underneath them windows, but the way it's designed is just picks it up just fine. And of course, they got a small header up here at the top that's carrying actually a roof weight. It's all been engineered, so I'm not going to question any of that. But that's the difference. So I hope it's been helpful, folks. Thank you for watching our videos. This is Galloway Building Services. If you have a new construction that you have under being built or getting ready to build, and you want to make sure it's being done right, give us a call. We inspect new constructions all the time. So far, this is looking pretty good. A few odds and ends, but heck, who don't have a few odds and ends? Thanks, folks. Have a great day.